dismantling and
Shalini, I'm
destroying
coming
of
to you.
the-
Shalini, I'm
one of the biggest empire of the world, that was Mughal Empire.
Arnab, they have to learn that the Muslims of India don't have any trait of the Mughals that came and invaded into India. Secondly, Samajwadi Party has always played on the religious sentiments of the people of this country. We've seen what happened in Sambal a couple of days back. Now bringing up Aurangzeb, today you are saying that he did a good job. What was the good job? You are taking your father and you are putting him into a jail. You are killing 3 of your brothers. And after that, you have actually, as a matter of fact, which I have always told you on your channel, only I have told you the highest number of conversions from Hindu or other religions into Muslims has been in our country. And that has also taken place because of Aurangzeb, because of the tax system that he brought on. Today you are saying that he did a lot of very good things. Tomorrow you will say even the Britishers did a lot of good things. They brought the railway into it. क्या उन्होंने सोने की चिड़िया को नहीं लेकर चले गए हैं? आपका मतलब ये है कि कोई अच्छा काम कर रहा है तो उसके बुरे कामों के लिए भी हम उसको उसकी प्रशंसा करें. What kind of a narrative are you placing for the youth of this country? What kind of a narrative you are placing for the Muslims of this country that today, just because you want the Muslims to be a vote bank, you are making them think in this direction that whatever Aurangzeb did in this country was right. I am extremely upset, and I think this is a very sad state of affairs which Samajwadi Party and their allies always brings on. Why is the Congress quiet about it today? Because they know it that tomorrow if they take their side, then we will come up with the Britishers, the British Raj. They have always supported the British Raj. What is this divide and rule system that you are still playing today, and you are thinking of the minority as a vote bank? This is absolute rubbish. Aurangzeb was against the Marathas. Aurangzeb was against the Rajputs. Aurangzeb was against the Sikhs. Aurangzeb went into Deccan area and he tried to create a kind of a biff over there also. Aurangzeb was just a cruel, merciless ruler. And yes, I agree, rulers do a lot of things for just continuing ruling. He ruled this country for 49 years. But that doesn't mean that you are going to give it to him that no, he was a very good ruler. He did demolish temples. He did kill his brothers. I mean, look what he did with Dara Shikoh and his other 2 brothers. Do you think you can even justify this fact that yes, this is what was supposed to happen? Can you justify the fact that he put his father into jail and denied him even water in his last few days? And you're calling him that yes, Aurangzeb was a very good ruler and he was a good administrator. That means you're showing it that for being a good administrator, you have to be ruthless. I am sorry, Anna, such people should be actually prosecuted.
I'll put it very simply.
Should be taken in.
Shalini, I'll put it very simply. I'll put it very simply.